In this lesson, I will show you how to run a TypeScript file. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to create a folder, and we'll call this scripts. And in the scripts folder, I'm going to create a new file called seed.ts. And in here, I will do a console.log and hello world. And then I'll hit Control S to save. And notice that it automatically added the semicolon, and that's because I have the Prettier formatter installed. So if you want to install that, I'd recommend that you do so, and you can do that in extensions here and get Prettier installed. But sorry about that tangent. Let's go back to the main topic, which is running TypeScript files. So I have this here. Now if I want to run this, I can go to my package JSON and I can add a new script, and I'll call it seed. And with this I can do tsx scripts / seed.ts, and then I'll hit save. And if I go to my terminal and I do a npm run seed, you can see that that TypeScript file was run without having to compile it first. So TSX just makes it easier to run TypeScript files as scripts.